everyone, and thanks for getting locked in with Key. This is your girl Key, and in today's video, I am doing a bedroom haul. I am going to be making over my bedroom to make my bedroom springtime fine, period. So if you would like to look and see what I've gotten for my bedroom, go ahead and stay tuned. For all my new subscribers, thank you so much for the love. And all my old subscribers, thank you for the love and the support. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. Let's go. Jump into this video. So I am trying to redecorate my bedroom because right now it just looks so dark to me. And with this social distancing, and I know we're coming out of social distancing, but I literally just want a space that I could say is just, I don't know, springtime fine, I guess you can say. I just want a refreshed look, if that makes any sense. So let's go ahead and look at some things that I bought. So I kind of tried to stay under, and I think I did stay under $300. So first things first, I got this little sign. It says our home, and I'm going to put this on a nightstand. I got this from HOMEGOODS. I got this from HOMEGOODS for like $5 or $6. Hold on. $6. So I got this sign that says our home. And then I got a sign that says blessed. So I like this because this will go on my side and then this will go on the other side and it'll just sit on my nightstand. I just like to have little messages around the house. Just cute to me. And I'm sorry I look comfy, classy because I had on a jean jacket earlier on my Vapor Max. So don't judge me. I kind of tried to get comfy cute. Oh, I'm breaking the plant. So I also found these little plants at HOMEGOODS and it was actually $13. And these are gonna go on my nightstands also. And I got two of them. So I just thought they were cute, and I'm gonna redecorate everything white and gray in my room because right now everything is silver, black, navy, and then some tones of white in my P space. So everything you'll see here is gonna be like light grayish. Of course, I got some I cannot say sheets. Threshold sheets from Target. And I want to say these were actually on sale. It's hard to find sheets on sale at Target, but these were actually on sale for like $30-something, but it just matches perfectly. I have a darker gray now. I'm praying these are not the same sheets that I already have, but they're light gray. So I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's a light gray. Then I got this sign from At Home, and it was only $10. But anybody that knows me knows that I live by the scripture that says, faith makes things possible, not easy. So I love this sign because it says, do what is right, not what is easy. So it's just a daily reminder. It is silver and it's really cute. It's really, really cute. Like the words are metallic. So I just thought that was really cute. Of course, y'all, I think I got another one of these quilts. I don't know if y'all see my apartment tour, but if you see my apartment tour, you would notice that I have a quilt in the living room that I use like when I lay here. I can just pick up that quilt. Kind of feel like this is quilt number 2. But I want to say the other one is king size. So this is definitely queen size. got 2 of the same thing. Pray for me. Just pray for me. I'm gonna stop shopping. But the good thing is I didn't go OD because I'm still kind of nervous due to Corona. But yeah. So I got this Coolest Comfort pillow. I got this because I needed new pillows. So I bought 2 of these pillows. I don't know where the other one is at this moment of time. But I bought 2 of these pillows because I need some good pillows for myself. So I bought these two new pillows from, I got it from At Home. Yeah, so I got 2 of those. And, sorry, one of my kids bought me some flowers. So that's why that's in here. Yeah. I had to take everything out of my car and I put this in there. So yeah, sometimes you just gotta smell the flowers. But I am gonna put them in a vase, so don't judge me. I didn't just throw them, not at all. So I just got 2 new pillows from Target, which were like $4. I just bought these because my old pillows are just not fluffy enough, if that makes sense. Yeah, they're just not fluffy enough. Pray for me. Just pray for me. And then I love this pillow, okay? I got 3 of these pillows, and these pillows were like $27. I got 3 of them. And I got these from At Home. Yeah, they're $27.99. And they're just so pretty. One of them got stained, but it was my fault, so I can't really like take it back at this current time. But yeah, it's pretty. It's beautiful. And I think these were the last 3, but you could try another At Home if you would like to get these pillows. I really like them though. They're just gonna make my room look so fluffy and pretty. Yeah. So I can't wait to use them. All right, so I was looking for a decorative pillow, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this pillow or not. But I love this pillow because it's white and gray. It goes with my theme, but it says love builds a happy home. I got this from Target and it was $20. So yeah, I really like this though. Hey, I like it. Oh. See, I got something new. I did not repeat something. So I got a blanket, and it's a real fluffy, soft blanket. And it's a twin XL because I'm not gonna spread this across my bed. I'm just gonna let it sit. It's gonna be one of those pull up when my bed is made, and I'll use this. So I like little fluffy things that I can just cover up with instead of covering up with my white comforter. So that's the reason why I have the quilt, because I'll be using the quilt to actually go to sleep on, the sheets also, and then I will be using the comforter to decoration. That's bad, huh? But hey, it'll be covering my feet, if anything. It'll keep my feet nice and warm. All right, so I got these pillowcases right here from Amazon. And I know they're a dark gray because it's satin, of course, but they're queen pillowcases, and it was like 2 for $10. So I got that, but I just know this will help my skin, and it will definitely help my hair growth. So I was just like, hey, gotta get them. So I just felt like that would match. It's gonna throw it off a little bit, but they'll be underneath everything. So yeah, I'm getting lint everywhere, I feel like. But I love those. All right, so my comforter picture of it, but it's white and it comes with want to say it's an 8-piece. Yes, it's an 8-piece set, and it comes with 1 comforter, 2 shams, 2 Yarrow shams, 2 decorative pillows, and a bed skirt. But I don't use a bed skirt because I have drawers underneath my my bed. It's attached to my bed, so I don't use the skirt. Never use the skirt. So yeah, there's that. And then I bought this wonderful plant, fake plant. I bought this from HOMEGOODS, and this was $30. But I really like things like this because it really makes you feel like you're outside even though you're indoors. So yeah. I do still have some shopping left that I have to get done for my bedroom. I need a picture that needs to go over my wall. I mean, not over my wall, on my wall, over my bed. And I also have to get a picture to go in my pea space, or I want to get some shelves just to make that place a little bit more complete. Because I moved my vision board. I didn't want my vision board to be there because every time I filmed there, I didn't want my vision board to always pop up. Sometimes you really shouldn't tell everybody your vision because you just don't know who is praying against you. So yeah. Well, this is it. That is it. Oh, I got one more thing. I also bought this little candle holder kind of thing, because I have a couple more in my room. It's in my pea space as of right now. But I bought this at a flea market, one of the West End flea markets here in Atlanta. So I really liked this because it'll go with my theme. And I have some blue ones. So it's going to be some tones of blue in there too. But just because I have that navy blue chair in my room. And of course, I had to get some more candles. My favorite DW candle, which is Sandalwood MYRRH. And I love this. I love this, love this, love this. And I bought one for each side. So yeah, that wraps up my bedroom haul. And I will be doing a decorate with me haul so you can see all this stuff in my room. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below anything else that you see or some piece of advice that you would have for me to get. And I want to thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, be blessed, safe, sane, and sanitized. This is your girl, Key. Mwah.